ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Hey Sarah, man, I'll never forget those times we had to deal with Miss Ignis and Miss Singhai in science and bio. And never gonna forget Shomaloma Mushroom 101. And baking was really fun with you this year, and I'm gonna miss you so much, and I wish you the best of luck in Ohio, but I know you're gonna do great.
Appreciate it, and thank you for being my prom partner. I wish you good luck in Ohio. I know you'll do great, and yeah, I'll see you soon.
Hey Sarah, you know I'm not too good at goodbyes or goodbye videos, so now that you're graduating and you're going to the States for school, I want to wish you the best of luck and venture on. And while you're in the States, number one, don't do too many Trump jokes, and don't joke about school shooting because you're going to get shot there. Other than that, hope we stay in touch and see you around.
Bye, Sarah. Good luck in the future. See this right here? That's your future, alright? Don't be fucking it up. And I want to see you as a professional cellist one day.
Hi Sarah, so I'm doing this at school right now, and it's really awkward because
I'm here.
because like it's in front of a bunch of people at school. Anyways, I just wanted to say like thank you for being such a good friend to me for the past like 3 years now or something. But we got super close this year, which I'm like super thankful for. And I know it was just us for a while, but I know that God like has a plan for us and stuff, and that hopefully like we'll eventually like see each other again. And I pray that you kick ass at this music school, Oberlin, and I hope that you do really well. And I'm gonna miss you a lot, and I feel like crying just talking about this. But yeah, I'm gonna see you tonight anyways. But yeah, just congrats on getting in, and I hope you have a safe trip. And I'm gonna miss you a lot, and I love you so much because you're like my sister now. And yeah, oh my god.
안녕 다빈. 케빈, 관우, 할말 있어?
누가?
다빈 한국 가. 그래 한국 가.
어제 만났어?
잘 가. 난 안 만났어. 인사해봐. 잘 가. 관우도 사랑해. 나중에 let's meet in Korea. 오이씨 미친 새끼.
Hey Sarah, I didn't know you're moving to the States. I kind of regret that we didn't get to hang out throughout the high school years, but then like you've been there for me, so like thank you for everything you've done for me. Like you listened to my problems and rants, so yeah, I'm really glad that I met you. So like good luck on your dreams, and hopefully see you again.
Hey David, 너 내 성격 알지? I'm not the type to do this kind of shit. Like I'm just doing it because it's you. Have a nice time in the States, and we should contact regularly. 하고 잘 지내고 깝치지 말고 처맞고 다니지 말고. 아씨 존나 어색하네. 잘 가.
백다비 가네 드디어 미국. 가서도 항상 조심하고 우는 거 못생겼으니까 울지 말고 잘 가.